Please take what steps you can to
Background
enact
checks
Initiative
will
594
help
into
keep
law.
guns out
Show
of
us some
criminals.
care.
And I
that
just
you will
want to
step up and
say
do the
you
right
are the
thing.
leaders of our state.
Thank you. On
And if
behalf
you
of all the
support
victims and
this, if
survivors
there
of
is
gun violence,
unfortunately, God
couldn't
forbid,
be here
another
to join us
homicide,
today.
you will
We
be
are
able
counting
to
on you.
declare our hands are clean.
You know, in Olympia, it
terms
really
of-
is all about showing up and having legislators hear your voice. The old adage is you're either at the table or you're on the menu. And so I think it's very important for every group to be actively involved, to be participants. To the extent the Jewish Federation can build bridges with leaders and members in both parties to try to move an agenda that reflects your values, I think that is incredibly important work. Because of the Federation, Olympia has a strong partner with deep roots in the Jewish community.
The Federation was really critical in creating an atmosphere of understanding about the funding that was required for the Holocaust Education Center. They did a great job and we were able to secure some capital money as part of our arts and culture and history funding mechanism that we have in this state so that people understand and will remember what the Holocaust was about, why it happened, and how it pertains to the times we have today in all sorts of contexts. So they really made the case that it wasn't just about the Jewish community, but again, it was about larger values that we all share.
The other example that we're right in the midst of right now is universal background checks. And I think that this is a situation where, because of the Jewish Federation's own unique history and the tragedy that occurred there, it is very powerful when you hear Cheryl and others tell the story of what happened to the Jewish Federation, and that advocacy is powerful and has brought together a large coalition, and certainly the Jewish Federation has been right at the heart of that.
Because of the Federation, we have laws in this state that help us support refugees and funding for the people that the Jewish community typically supports and has supported historically. I don't think there's any question that things like refugee assistance and food assistance and making sure that those communal values that we share in our community that are so important to us, that their support pushes that to the forefront of the policy debates, and I think it's just critical.